Hi, in this video, we will show you how to set up Surfshark VPN on your Windows PC. We will cover downloading, installing, and explaining all the important features of the app. You will find link in description to get started with Surfshark for a great price. You will see a few options for downloading the Surfshark application. For most PCs, select the button that says VPN app for Windows. When the download is complete, open the installer file. It may take some time for the installer to appear, and you may see a message asking if you want this app to make changes to your device. Press Yes and click Install. The installation process should take a few minutes, and the app will launch automatically when complete. To log in, press the blue Login button. If you don't have a Surfshark account yet, you can create one here. You can also log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft accounts if they are linked to Surfshark. For this video, we'll log in using Google for Surfshark. Review them and then click the Quick Connect button to connect to the fastest available server. If your connection is successful, you will see a connected and safe status. To disconnect or pause the VPN, use the two buttons available here. You can also customize the Quick Connect button to connect to a specific location by clicking on Change. On the left side, you can access the full list of VPN locations available on Surfshark. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers in more than 100 countries. To connect to a preferred server, simply click on it. You can favorite a server location by clicking the star icon. Favorited locations appear at the top of the list for easier access. At the top, there are options for other server types, including static IP, multi-hop, and dedicated IP. Static IP servers provide the same IP address each time you connect. Multi-hop connects through two different countries to enhance privacy and security. You can also create custom multi-hop connections by selecting entry and exit locations. Dedicated IP servers are available for an additional cost and provide an exclusive IP address. This minimizes CAPTCHAs and provides a premium VPN experience. Now, let's explore additional VPN features in the Settings menu. Click the wheel icon on the left and then select VPN settings. Under Connectivity, you can enable Surfshark to launch on startup and minimize to the tray. You can also toggle the Auto Connect feature to automatically connect to a VPN server when the app launches. The Quick Connect button can also be customized further in this menu. One key feature is Clean Web. This blocks ads, trackers, and malware while browsing. For better protection, use Clean Web through the Surfshark browser extension, which can be downloaded using the button provided. Below Clean Web is the Kill Switch feature. This automatically disables your internet connection if the VPN connection drops. It prevents sensitive data from being exposed and ensures you never browse without VPN protection. By default, Surfshark selects the best VPN protocol for you. However, if you experience connection issues, you can manually change the VPN protocol in this menu. The Bypasser feature allows you to exclude certain apps or websites from VPN protection. This is useful if you need specific sites to access your real location. Surfshark also includes a speed test tool to help you find the fastest server based on your area. Another advanced feature is IP Rotator. This rotates your VPN IP address within the connected location to make you harder to trace online. Surfshark is more than just a VPN. It offers a range of security tools, which we'll quickly explore. First, there's Alternative ID. This generates a new identity, including email and phone number, to use online. This keeps your real information private. Next is Surfshark Alert. It monitors your data and alerts you if your email, credit card, or ID appears in a breached database. You don't have to monitor cybersecurity news because Surfshark will notify you immediately. Surfshark also has antivirus protection built into the app. It is lightweight, well-optimized for most PCs, and has a clean user interface. To install it, you need Windows 10 or later and at least 2 GB of free space. Another feature is Surfshark Search. This private search engine provides organic results without personalized ads or tracking. Simply enter your search term and get results that respect your privacy. You can also bookmark the search page in your browser for quick access. Now, let's talk about the price. Surfshark VPN offers several pricing plans to suit different needs. That's everything you need to know about setting up and using Surfshark VPN on your Windows PC. I have provided a link in description to get started with Surfshark for a great price. Make sure to check that out.